Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jackie and thanks for watching. So we're just going to jump right into today's look. It's going to be a black and white smoky eye. Originally I wanted this to be like a prom makeup look, but I'm a horrible procrastinator and it took me forever to get this video up. So if you still have your prom coming up, this is a good neutral look to do. Go with any dress. If not, this is just a really nice smoky eye for going out or any sort of occasion you have. So I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette, and first I just set my entire lids with that cream shade, and now I'm using that light gray shade that's like in the big pan and using that as my initial transition color. I also have tape, so it'll be like a nice, I'll have like that nice V shape. And now I'm just using my fluffy brush, building up that color and taking that kind of cool toned brown shade and adding that into the crease to just deepen everything up. Then I'm taking the darker gray shade on it's still a fluffy brush, but it's a little more tapered. So I'm keeping this super low in the crease and focusing most of the product in the outer V, and then just kind of dragging it inward. And then going back with my original fluffy brush to further blend it out. Then I'm just taking this NYX concealer to kind of clean up everything. It's not really a cut crease, but I just want to clean up the inner portion of the lid, just bringing it in about halfway, and this just kind of cleans it all up, and it'll be a nice base for the shimmer shade that I'm going to also put down on there. And a good trick is to just kind of dot some concealer on your lid and then look up, and then so wherever the concealer touches is kind of the line you want to make, so it gives you kind of like a guideline of how high up to bring the concealer. Then I'm just taking this white shade in the palette and setting that concealer down. And then I'm taking the black in the palette on a pencil brush and just deepening up the outer V even more. And then taking the fluffy brush that I took the darker gray shade with to blend that out and kind of drag it into the crease. But, you know, make sure it's diffused first. I didn't want to put straight up black in the crease. Then I'm taking Urban Decay Polyester Bride single eyeshadow and spraying my brush with MAC Fix Plus first, and then packing that on in the entire area where I put the concealer down, and then just blending it all out again with my fluffy brush. So then I did a wing with this NYX liquid matte eyeliner, and then I went out of frame, so I only showed like part of one eye, but sorry. Then I'm priming my face with the Tarte Poreless Matte Primer, and using the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation and blending that into the skin with my Sonia Kashuk brush, or not brush, sponge. Then I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Cushion Contour and use this as a cream contour. And then just blending that all out. This is good, especially you know, if you are doing this look for prom or just, you know, a night out where you need your makeup to stay. Putting down all cream products, like I'm using this Maybelline liquid highlighter. So when you put the cream products down first, it acts as your base, and then once you set it all with powder, it'll just last longer. Your face makeup will last a lot longer. So I'm taking that NYX concealer again and just putting that under my eyes, center of the forehead, chin, and down the bridge of my nose, all the regular places. And then I'm setting everything with the Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder. This is my favorite setting powder, especially if you have oily skin. You need this because this will be your best friend for makeup that you need to last forever. For like the night out, for a prom, you need it to look good for a long period of time. This powder will make that happen. And then I'm just dusting that all away with a big fluffy brush. Then finishing off the eyes, I'm taking that cool brown shade again and just buffing that all on the lower lash line. Then I'm taking the black and pushing this up as close as I possibly can to the lash line, and I don't bring it all the way in. I only bring it in about 3/4 of the way because I don't want to make my eyes look too small. And then using that gray tone shade just to blend out that black. And then taking that cream shade, it's not the white one, it's like a more like off-white creamy shade to highlight my brow bone. I love using shades like that on the brow bone because it kind of evens out or like kind of like fixes any mistakes if you blended your eyeshadow, took it up too far. And I'm taking the Polyester Bride shade from Urban Decay again and using that as my inner corner highlight, and I sprayed some MAC Fix Plus on my brush before applying this. Then I'm taking Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy glitter liner and putting this on the inner corner as just more sparkle. And then blending that out a little bit because it looked a little messy to me. And then taking ColourPop eyeliner in Swerve, I think is the black one. And just using that to tightline and line my waterline. And then taking the black shade again and just setting down that eyeliner on the waterline. This will make it last a lot longer, not bleed as quick. And then just curling my lashes. And then, oh, I forgot to set, I usually always like to set my powders down, so I use the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray to set all my face products down. And then just coating my lashes with some mascara. This one's my Maybelline. Then I'm going to contour with the Catrice, I have no idea what this is called. I don't know, it's their contour powder, and it's literally the best contour shade. I love it so much. But I'm pretty much just placing this in all the places that I had originally put down that Wet n Wild liquid contour. Then I'm just bronzing my face and blending out that contour with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And then I'm gonna carve out that contour with the Dermablend loose setting powder. I'm only gonna let that sit for like a second, really. It only sat there for like 2 seconds before I dusted it away. Then I'm taking the Too Faced blush in Baby Love, Baby Flow, I don't know, something like that. These are really good blushes. They last forever on the skin, so it's a really good long wearing blush for a night like prom or just like a night out. So I'm just applying that to my cheeks. And then I'm using the Becca highlight in Vanilla Quartz to highlight. I'm just applying this to my cheekbones and wrapping it around to above my brow up into my temples. Then I'm going to highlight the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. And then I'm lining my lips with Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Exposed. And I'm also just going to fill them in a little bit with this. Then I'm using this Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick. I forget the name of it. In the shade So Chick, I think. Pretty sure. It's like the lightest nude they have, and I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Then I'm topping my lips with the Jouer lip topper in Skinny Dip. And then taking that highlight again to highlight my Cupid's bow. And then just setting everything with a Too Faced setting spray. And that completes this video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry that if you wanted a prom look and I'm so late on this, but if you still have a prom, you can still wear this. If not, then it's a good night out makeup look. But don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.